Tai Fung at Edsa Megamall was the very first branch to be opened in the Philippines in 2015. This is a famous Taiwanese restaurant famous for its soup, dumplings, and handmade noodles. The food here is really delicious. We enjoyed the sweet and sour pork, the green beans, the yang chow fried rice, the fried chicken.
This is the chocolate inside. So you put it like this, and inside is chocolate. Right? How do you do this? When you open it, there's chocolate. This is the dessert.
This is my favorite. It's so good. And Tai Fung.
There they go, making the delicious chocolate thing that I really love. So good. Roll it. Oh, they wrap it in chocolate. They wrap it and then they roll it like a dim sum.